Li said he accepted the charge of subversion and expressed regret in videos of his comments released on social media by the Yueyang City Intermediate People's Court in central Hunan Province. I spread some attacks, theories that maliciously attacked and defamed China's government, the Chinese Communist Party and China's current political system, and I incited the subversion of state power, Li said, referring to comments written in an instant messaging group. Taiwan's presidential office said in a news briefing on Monday afternoon that the government is engaged in an all-out effort to assist Mr. Li Mingche's family. His relief is our top priority. The position of this government has been very clear. Mr. Li is one of our citizens, an office spokesman said, adding, "We'll do everything in our power to ensure his safe return." Li stood trial alongside Chinese national Peng Yehua, 37, who confessed to creating instant messaging groups and founding an organization that sought to promote political change in China. Li had been involved in both, Peng said in testimony released on video by the court. Taiwanese rights activist Xiao Yiming traveled to the mainland for the trial, but said he was barred from entering the courtroom. Xiao suspected Peng was being used by authorities to help strengthen the state's case against Li, as he was unaware of any previous connection between the two men. "I do not recognize this court. I also did not hire any lawyers," she wrote. Releasing videos and transcripts of court hearings has become increasingly common in China as part of a push for greater judicial transparency and oversight. But rights activists say that in sensitive cases holding open trials allows authorities to demonstrate state power and deter others, with statements and verdicts usually agreed in advance. Ties between Beijing and Taipei have been strained since President Tsai Ing-wen, leader of the independence-leaning Democratic Progressive Party, took office last year. Tsai's refusal to state that Taiwan and China are part of one country has angered Beijing, as have her comments about human rights on the mainland. Beijing maintains that the island of Taiwan is part of China and has never renounced the use of force to bring it under its control, while proudly democratic Taiwan has shown no interest in being governed by the Communist Party rulers in Beijing.